up? If you're new, hello, my name is Whitney Wuzor, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So over the last few years, I've been incorporating the rule of 5, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically when you go out shopping and you pick out a pair of clothing and you ask yourself or you envision yourself wearing that particular item in 5 different ways. Now this is so useful, especially if you are a college going girl like myself or just any person in general, because it just helps you invest in the right clothing, and plus it also tests your creativity, you know, what you can do with one pair of clothing. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I styled a t-shirt in 5 different ways. So let's get into the video. So guys, that was it for this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up and also comment down below if you thought this video was helpful and you would like me to do more informative videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell button like so that you can get notified each and every time I upload. I'm just so happy you guys learned something today. Anyways, bye guys!